The last one.
Is it really?
No.
Oh gosh, guys. How to make it diagonal-ish?
Press A.
Really?
See, look, there's still a lot
and then
more.
move it left or right.
Okay.
Like that.
No. Oh well, okay. We're just gonna do this.
So get out of the way.
Nice draw. You did it.
You said that was the last line.
I said it wasn't.
Didn't she really? She did.
She didn't.
Yes, she did. You said it.
You.
You. Go play with your little friend right now.
I can't, my mom and dad.
Joe, get out of the way. Your butt's on camera. See, look.
Boom.
You fail.
Are you serious, guys?
You have one ball left. Go.
Shut up. No.
All done.
Am I really? Okay.
That would be why I said finished.
80!
Joe, move.
Probably. Give me like 1,000.
65.
You beat Phil.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what do? Give me this remote, and then you go on the computer, and then I go.
Why would I go on the computer, you weirdo? Oh yeah, I'm watching it.